do any political party is, carry out a political battle over an issue as important as the drug menace, especially in the state of Punjab. So Manjeet Singh GK has to answer a few questions. He's from the Akali Dal. He's president of the Delhi Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. Sardar RP Singh is national secretary of the BJP. And the Akali BJP infighting, or whatever you call it, is well known now. And Pratap Singh Bajwa is the chief of the Punjab Congress. And Hartosh Singh Bal is political editor of the Caravan. Happy New Year, gentlemen. Let's begin. So my first question, and it's an open debate. Bajwa ji, Sardar RP Singh, and Hartosh, it's an open debate. I'll put a few questions to the Akali Dal, and then we can begin the debate. And you can come in when you want. My first question to Manjeet Singh GK is, if you don't want to do anything about the drugs problem, if your party people are themselves involved in the drugs issue, if you are being investigated, your party leaders are being investigated and summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, why do you want to now fight a political battle over it and start blaming the Border Security Force? Just tell the people, Manjeet Singh GK, that we are in league with people. Many of our leaders are in league with the drug peddlers or drug manufacturers, with the narcotics traders. We don't want to do anything about it, and we'll only at the most do politics over it. So Manjeet Singh GK, you can say that we are going to use this issue to square off with the BJP, but we don't intend to solve the drug menace. That's why we call it at times now the drug drama. When will you stop the drug drama, Manjeet Singh GK? Stop the drug drama.
Arnab, now give me the time to answer. The thing is that we are not scaring it with anybody, number one. Secondly, the dharnas which you are calling, it was an awareness drive. It was not against BSF. It was an awareness that across the border, Pakistan must know that the people of Punjab has risen.
Sukhbir Singh Badal says the border is guarded by the BSF, a central force over which we do not have any control. He blames the BSF. Will he blame his brother-in-law?
Arnab,
will he blame Majithia?
It is only.
Will he blame Bikram Majithia or will he blame the BSF?
I think you should wait for the court. Let the court say that Majithia is involved, and if Majithia is involved, he will be out of the party, and suggest a punishment must be given to him. I am telling you on this channel. But before going to the court, I think on this panel, we are nobody to say that Majithia is a culprit or he is accused. Number one. Secondly, these drugs are coming from across the border. And then how they are coming. We need to check if there is some weak point at the border.
So they are coming from across the border and none of you know. None of you know. None of you are responsible. Pratap Singh Bajwa. Pratap Singh Bajwa.
Let me answer. Let me answer.
Sir, everybody knows.
Let me answer first.
So first of all, I think it is extremely wrong of you to target the BSF and not question your own state government. You are in power in the state. The police and other agencies are at your disposal. If you want to solve the problem, you can solve the problem. If you want to curb the menace, you can curb the menace. You are in an alliance with the BJP in the center as well as the state. If you have a problem with the BSF's handling of the issue, take it up officially. Don't do this drug drama. Pratap Singh Bajwa is responding. Pratap Singh Bajwa, please, to the opening comments of Manjeet Singh, please. Pratap Singh Bajwa. Pratap Singh Bajwa.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, I would just request Mr. Manjeet Singh GK to just keep quiet for us some time.
He's listening.
The thing is, the Akalis are trying to divert the issue. The issue is not of drugs which are coming from Pakistan or Afghanistan. The basic problem in Punjab is of synthetic drugs. And in that, international smugglers are involved. And one of the warlords who was arrested a year back by the name of Jagdish Singh Bhola, he said that in the last 7 years of the Akali BJP government, they have sold synthetic drug in Punjab and in other states of India the tune of 6,000 crore rupees.
Exactly.
It's not a small amount. It's a major amount. And my charge is the Akali Dal government is fully involved in this. The police officials are fully involved. The chain of command of the Punjab police has broken. Unfortunately, the Punjab police has become as an extension counter of the Akalis. And whatever is being done, today you would be surprised. I think so Punjab would be the only state in the nation where police stations every month one has to pay a price of 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees to remain a SHO. To remain as a SHO to the MLAs or the ministers concerned. Even the police stations and police in Punjab are being auctioned. Have you ever heard of another state in the nation where police stations are being auctioned?
Well, my point is, Mr. Bajwa, Manjeet Singh GK wants to respond to you. No, the BJP wants to come in. The BJP wants to come in. My question is, Mr. R.P. Singh, Mr. R.P. Singh, Mr. R.P. Singh, 1 second please. I think R.P. Singh wants to come in.
One complete generation has died because of militancy.
R.P. Singh of the BJP.
And the Akalis were basically the ones who were responsible for that one.
Mr. Bajwa, Mr. R.P. Singh wants to come in. Please let him.
The younger generation, today Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Sir, let Mr. R.P. Singh come in, please. I don't think you can hear me,
has named our Vice President Rahul Gandhi. I want to make one thing very clear, Honor. Whatever Rahul Gandhi ji
give time to others
said on television was based on the statement, on the affidavit given by the Department of Health, Government of Punjab, in the Honorable High Court, where the Government of Punjab had themselves conceded that 70% of today's youth in Punjab is involved in some drug or the other.
Okay, so Mr. Bajwa, it's an open debate. It's an open debate. You must let the others speak. My question to the BJP is, Mr. Bajwa, I'll come back to you. My question to R.P. Singh is,
Narendra Modi ji.
Sir, may I please, my question to Mr. R.P. Singh is, Mr. R.P. Singh, if you want to fight, if you both want to fight each other, go somewhere else and fight. Why do you fight at the expense of the drugs problem that has been going on in Punjab? Is this the Achhe Din that you promised, Mr. R.P. Singh? That the BJP and the Akali Dal will make a huge political issue out of the drugs problem in Punjab instead of tackling it jointly? Yes, Mr. Singh.
Well, let me start and begin with that what Mr. Bajwa is saying, that each police station is being sold or auctioned. I appreciate he should put documents or evidence on record if he has to put these open charges, these sort of charges on a national channel. Because this is bad and this is...
1 second, he's there, please let us put him on air, please. 1 second. He's saying something. May I please request our producers to have a panelist on air, please. 1 second.
Did the enforcement directorate also come up with summons to Bikram Singh Majithia? And it is the charge of the Congress that because his sister, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, is a cabinet colleague of Narendra Modi, these summons which should have come almost 6 to 7 months earlier did not come because there was pressure of the Badal family and the Majithia of Arun Jaitley, who contested in parliament election from Amritsar.
Mr. Bajwa, Mr. Bajwa, 1 second. Mr. Bajwa, first of all, 1 second, please, 1 second. Mr. Bajwa, can I check the audio link? Mr. Bajwa, can you hear me?
The gravity of the situation in Punjab.
Mr. Bajwa, this is not an election speech. Mr. Bajwa, it's a debate. Please listen to the others.
Did he go to High Court against Majithia? Did he go to High Court against Majithia?
This is a government of terrorists. This is a government of murderers. Punjab and Punjabi, not only in Punjab and the world over, will never...
Can I please put them...
These people will have to pay a heavy price.
segregated
what these
sector.
people are trying to do.
It was
Today they
Bharatiya
wanted to
Janata
divert
sector.
the attention of the nation.
Don't
They were, on the contrary,
Mr.
they are
Bharatiya,
challenging
did you
the
go to
armed
High Court?
forces.
Did
On
you
the
High Court,
contrary,
High Court
they are
and
challenging the brave
Why
hearts
did
of
you
India.
lose your case?
Is this the
You
Shiromani
lose your case of the High
Council?
Court.
What kind of a government do we have?
You don't want
I
to go
appeal to the
court.
Prime Minister.
You want this
That's
case.
This is incredible. No, what's it?
Perfect case.
Effect.
Where President's rule must be enforced in the state of Punjab under Article 3.
I don't think-
And Sukhbir Singh Badal, the Deputy Chief Minister, who is inciting violence against the security forces, should be charged under 124A of sedition under the IPC.
Okay, so Mr. Bajwa, Mr. Pratap Singh Bajwa, please hear me.
Should be charged.
Please hear me now. 1 second, please. Don't speak all together, please. Mr. Bajwa, please stop for a minute. Mr. Bajwa, please stop. Mr. Bajwa, 2 minutes के लिए रुक जाइए. No, Miss.
On the security forces.
I need to answer
It is
Mr.
for the first
Bajwa.
time
You need
ever
to give me time.
in the
This is
center
no
That is it, Mr. Bajwa. Listen, Mr. Manjeet Singh.
has had the guts,
Mr. Bajwa, please stop.
not willing to
Yes,
listen
I
to
have
all
the
the
guts.
Punjabi world.
Mr. Bajwa, did you go to the High Court?
Mr. Bajwa, will you stop for a minute?
What did
We
you
are not
do?
willing to listen to these villains sitting in your studios because they are the murderers of the younger generation.
So will you listen to the others, please?
You are
Listen
the
to these
murderer.
people.
Mr.
These
Bajwa,
people
you are the
should be
murderer.
hanged.
Sonia
It
Gandhi
is
is
time
murderer.
these people
Rajiv
are-
Gandhi is
These
murderer.
people are
Rahul
hanged.
Gandhi is
They are the
murderer.
real
What
murderers.
are you
They are
talking?
the real
You have
culprits.
ruined Punjab.
This is a
ruined
government
Punjab.
of
Economically,
drug
you have
This is a government of terrorists.
Did this
One of the
government
ministers in the
You
present
are
government
for that.
on the floor of the
And I
House
think-
and Punjab Vidhan
you
Sabha in the
have
present
to
session
You have
said,
said what you
I
want to
was
say.
a terrorist,
You are telling
I am a
everybody
terrorist, and I will remain a terrorist. What kind of a government are we
Why
looking
did you
for?
go to the court?
Arnab Goswami,
When-
my appeal to the people of India, my appeal to the present government in Delhi is immediately put in the president's rule, immediately dismiss this government, immediately
I am now requesting, what's it, RP Singh on one side? 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, Mr. Bajwa. Please stop. Please stop, Mr. Bajwa. Mr. Bajwa, please stop. Mr. Bajwa, you have to stop. Mr. Bajwa, this is no way to debate. I request you, Mr. Bajwa. Mr. Bajwa, please stop. Please stop, Mr. Bajwa. Please stop. I want to put you back on air, but please stop. 1 second, Mr. Bajwa.
the BJP must withdraw support. The BJP must immediately withdraw.
Let the BJP respond to that.
Dismissed. We are not willing to listen to this.
Mr. Bajwa, I want to get RP Singh and you on the screen, please, if possible, if you care to listen to anyone. Mr. Bajwa, please listen. Please, Mr. Bajwa, stop. Stop, for God's sake, Mr. Bajwa, stop for a minute. Mr. Bajwa, will you stop for a minute? आप जरा एक मिनट तो रुक जाए. You think this is a political speech going on? My question to RP Singh, if he can hear me, because Mr. Bajwa is not going to stop. Mr. RP Singh, if you have a real problem happening with the Akali Dal on the drugs issue, why don't you just pull out of the government?
These people should be kicked out of this government. These people should be hanged immediately.
So, Mr. Bajwa, will you stop for a minute? Will you stop? RP Singh, Mr. Bajwa is asking. Listen to Mr. RP Singh, please, Mr. Bajwa. RP Singh, Mr. Bajwa, who has been speaking non-stop, is asking if you have a problem with the Akali Dal, why don't you just break the alliance? Break the alliance. Don't let the Akalis drag the BSF into the...
No, it's not matter of...
Yes. Now, Mr. Bajwa, please listen to others also.
100%. 100%. We are